Welcome home to 3520 Hoover Street, located in beautiful friendly acres of Redwood City, California. The wonderfully landscaped garden greets you at the curb. You'll love the functional floor plan this home offers. Lovely and spacious living room dining room combo offers plenty of room for your desired decorating and furniture placement. You'll enjoy the cozy fireplace on those cool California winter nights. The dining room is ideally located adjacent to the kitchen, making entertaining easy. The country chic eat-in kitchen is perfect for the chef of the house, offering plenty of space to cook, a convenient laundry area, and leads to the tranquil backyard. This is the first of the two spacious bedrooms, offering lots of closet space. Bright and sunny, centrally located full bathroom. The second bedroom offers built-in shelves, making this the perfect office space or kids' room. The detached one-car garage has been soundproofed and finished on the inside. Your band can practice all the time without bothering the neighbors. There's lots of parking available behind this private gate and on the front driveway too. Have you ever wanted to own your own park? Well, 3520 Hoover offers just that. The gorgeous backyard includes professional landscaping, walking paths, fruit trees, sheds, plus a large patio ideal for outdoor entertaining and barbecuing. Centrally located on the peninsula near Highway 101 and the Facebook campus, Friendly Acres neighborhood is the ideal peninsula location, offering a 30-minute commute to both San Francisco and the Silicon Valley. To enjoy a private showing or to learn more about this fantastic home, and for all your real estate needs, call me, Jessica Eva Realtor, 650-704-5483, or visit my website at www.jessicaeva.com.